Hello everyone, welcome back to Super Channel. Today I will show you how to quickly find your property ID, also known as PID, for properties under BBMP in Bangalore using the official government website. Go to your browser and open this link. This is the official BBMP property portal. On this page, select the district and local zone. You can search by using property ID and owner name. After click on search, you will see a list of matching properties below. Find your property in the list and note down the new PID. That is your property ID. You can also view additional property information, tax payment history, or print the details for your records. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.